Today I'm going to show y'all how I attempted to make this applique toddler shirt. I started off by using my rotary blade, which I've never used before. I do have a stabilizer on this cotton fabric, literally cotton, but the cotton design. Yeah, anyways, there's stabilizer on the back to attach it to the mat. I really wish these letters would have come out a little more clear. I think I actually recut them, which you can see in my YouTube short, and they are a little bit better quality. But I also think I cut them too big, because when I go to embroidery them later, there's edge on them. So I had the sticky stick and tear. I had that on there, but I put it on upside down. So essentially, it's no help right now because I had to peel it all off. I'm going to use E6000 and just tack on the letters and hopefully it works. Surprisingly, this worked out okay. Originally they weren't sticking that great, and then I added a little more glue and they were fine. Okay, well, I'm not thoroughly happy with it, but I'm also not 100% disappointed. Well, there's a lot of things I would do differently and fix for the next time, but overall, I don't hate it. And my nephew got a cute shirt out of it, so there we go. And I hope you learned something about embroidering or appliquing. Thanks for watching.